For today's lesson, you will need a pencil and a sheet of paper. Let's start with reading comprehension. We are going to read the passage chores together. I want you to read the first 2 sentences with me. Follow the pattern and point to the red dot as we read each word. Today, we are reading chores. Scholars, can you point to where we start reading? We start at the first line. Now, can you point to where we go when we finish reading this line? We move to the line underneath. It's time to read the passage. Tap along as we read each sentence 2 times. Follow the red dot as we read each word. Get your tapping fingers ready. Who can do chores? I can. Who can do chores? I can. Who can make the bed? I can. Who can make the bed? I can. Now it's your turn. Follow the red dot as you read each word. You will read each sentence 2 times. I can read. Great job! How did you figure out the word trash in the passage? Did you look at the picture of a trash can? Can you point to the word plants in the sentence? Did you sound out the letters in the word plants? Way to go! Scholars, what is this passage about? It's about the chores to do when cleaning the house. You did a great job figuring those out. Now, let's identify some letters versus words. We are going to use this pattern to identify letters versus words. Scholars, how many words do you count? Did you count 4 words? Who can? I can. That's 4 words. Now, how many letters do you count? Did you count 10 letters? W, H, O, C, A, N, I, C, A, N. That's 10 letters. It's time to go over letter sounds. I will say each letter and do the motion. I want you to point to the correct letter that makes that sound. Are you ready? Our first letter or letters is K. Can you point to the letter that sounds like K? The next letter is Z. Which letter sounds like Z, Z, Z? The next letter is Point to the letter that sounds like uh. The last letter is N. Which letter sounds like N? If you said C, K, Z, U, and N, you got them all right. Awesome job! It's time for matching first sounds. Here, you will choose the correct letter that goes with each picture.
The word is zoo. Zoo. Which letter does the word zoo start with? The word is corn. Corn. Which letter does the word corn start with? The word is juggle. Juggle. Which letter does the word juggle start with?
Matching first sounds helps us with phonemic rhyme. With phonemic rhyme, we listen to parts of a word, then put them together. Let's try an example. D-ig. D-ig. Put them together. Which word does d-ig sound like? D-ig, dig. D-ig, dig. Say it. D-ig, dig. Your turn. D-ig, dig. Last time. The next one is ch-ip. Ch-ip. Put them together. Which word does ch-ip sound like? The last one is full eye. Full eye. Put them together. Which word does full eye sound like? We are going to end today's lesson with some spelling. I have 3 spelling words for you. We will say each word 3 times, then we will tap it out, and finally, you will need your paper and pencil to write them down. Our first word is cab. Cab. Say it. Your turn. One more time. Cab. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word cab. Get your tapping fingers ready. Ab. Ab. Cab. Which letter sounds like k? Which letter sounds like a? Which letter sounds like b? Pause the video and use your paper and pencil to write the word cab. The next word is lab. Lab. Say it. Your turn. One more time. Lab. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word lab. L, a, b. L, a, b. Lab. Which letter sounds like L? Which letter sounds like A? Which letter sounds like B? Pause the video and use your paper and pencil to write the word lab. The last word is tab. Tab. Say it. Your turn. One more time. Tab. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word tab. T, a, b. T, a, b. Tab. Which letter sounds like T? Which letter sounds like A? Which letter sounds like B? Pause the video and use your paper and pencil to write the word tab. Scholars, thank you so much for reading with me. I hope it helped grow your brain. I love reading with you.